How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get six-pack abs in 1 minute for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So one of the things that I would do every single night before going to bed and every single time in the morning, I want you guys to get a dumbbell, a plate. It doesn't matter. If you don't have access to weights at all, then get a 4-liter milk jug and fill it up with water. And all you're gonna do is you're just gonna take the weight and you're just gonna hold it over your head like this. So again, take the weight over your head and you're just gonna hold it. You can be seated, you can be standing, it doesn't matter. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna hold it over your head for exactly 60 seconds. You're gonna do this in the morning, you're gonna do this before going to bed. Now, if you're wondering, what does that do? Holding anything overhead requires your core to contract. Now, as you get better at this, you're gonna improve your time. So instead of doing it for 1 minute, you'll do it for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. I can take a 150-pound dumbbell and hold it directly over my head and hold it there for 10 minutes straight. That's how strong my abs are. And my abs, I have a completely shredded six-pack ab. So it does work. That's what I recommend to do. Very simple, very easy. Do it in the morning for 1 minute and at night for 1 minute. Once you can do it for 1 minute, increase to 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Very, very simple. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.